Building resilience, fixing for the future. Quick fixes mean little if problems return. Without root cause analysis, issues resurface. Without knowledge that works, teams repeat the same mistakes. And without accountability, the cycle continues. The fixer ensures improvements last. We strengthen problem management, embed knowledge management, and build accountability into every process. Our goal isn't just to fix today's problems, it's to prevent tomorrow's. We activate real-world knowledge bases that teams actually use. We integrate root cause analysis into daily workflows. We empower teams to take ownership, learn, and adapt, all while embedding resilience into IT operations. Because resilience isn't built overnight. It's built when fixes stick, when accountability drives performance, and when IT is equipped to handle what comes next. Pink Elephant South Africa, the fixer. Fixing what matters today, sustaining what matters tomorrow.